Now this is problem number 55 in GATE 2019. Consider a 2 cross 2 matrix M is equals to V1, V2 are V1 and V2 are column vectors, and M inverse is U1 transpose and U2 transpose, where U1 transpose, U2 transpose are row vectors. So statement 1 is U1 transpose V1 equals to 1 and U2 transpose V2 equals to 1, and statement 2 is U1 transpose V2 equals to 0 and U2 transpose V1 equals to 0. Okay. Now say take an example AM, where AM is equals to V1 V2 and it is equals to say x1 x2 y1 y2. Okay. And M inverse is given as U1 transpose U2 transpose, and that is equals to say take x capital X1 capital X2 capital Y1 capital Y2, like this. Now so the column vector V1 will be x1 y1 and column vector V2 will be small x2 y2 obviously, and U1 transpose will be um, x1 y1 capital, U2 transpose will be x2 y2 in capital. Okay. Now if I take this U1 transpose V1, what we have, U1 transpose means x1 y1 in capital into V1 means x1 y1 is what will be the okay. First do this thing. Now we all know that M inverse is equals to identity matrix. Okay, so if we just multiply it, x1 x2 y1 y2 into x1 y1 x2 y2, and that is will be identity matrix 1001. Now if I do the solution, this means if I multiply these two matrix, what we have, we have small x1 capital X1 plus small x2 capital y x2 is equals to 1. Okay. Now small x1 capital Y1 plus small x2 capital Y2 is equals to 0. Now small y1 capital X1 small y2 capital X2 will be 1, and small y1 capital Y1 plus small y2 capital Y2 is also 0. Now these are the four equations we get from the multiplication of matrix M and its what we have inverse matrix. Okay. Now if I do U1 transpose V1 is equals to U1 transpose okay, U1 transpose means capital X1 capital Y1, and V1 will be small x1 small y1. Okay. Now if I multiply it, what we have, x small x1 capital X1 plus uh, small yes small y1 capital Y1. Now if you find from this four solution, you will get, okay, you will not find any of this solution in this multiplication of statement 1. So it from the given condition, it is not at all equals to 1, and if you do the same for this, you will also get it is not equals to 1. So statement 1 statement 1 is not true. Statement 1 is not true. Again, if we do for u1 transpose v2, we have x1 y1 in capital and uh, x2 y2 in small, but we have x2 capital X1 plus small y2 capital Y1. And if you try to find the this multiplication in the uh, this 4 equation, you will find, again you will find nothing. Okay, so from the condition given in the problem, it is concluded that it is not equals to 0. And if you do the same for u2 transpose and v1, it will you will get it is not equals to 0. Okay, so statement 2 is not true at all. So both statements are false. So this is the solution.